Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I thought we'd try something a little bit different. Our community is getting a little bit larger, and I want to throw a little puzzle out to you. And let's say, so today's the 18th. Let's say I'll give you guys 3 days. Let's see how many different variations that we can do, and I'll give you one, and let's see how many different we can come up with. So, but first of all right, so we're growing, we're getting subscribers almost every day, so it's very important, very important that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell. And if you guys like this video, if you like this challenge, please click thumbs up so I can know how much technical and how much of these little challenges we like. I'm trying to find the balance between how nerdy to be and how much code to show. So alright, so what the challenge is to get a 3 to print out to the screen, but you cannot use a number. Can't use a number. So I will give you one of the easier ones, and let's see how many we can come up with. And the most creative one, I'll give them a shout out. Just put it in the comments. But alright, let's look at this. So I got 3 to come out, not one number. So that's the challenge. How many different variations? I'll give you guys 3 days. So today's the 18th. So on what? The 22nd. The 22nd, I'll give a shout out to the most creative answer to this. So thought we'd try this, see how we go, because I don't know, do something fun, change things up a little bit. So alright, here's one of them. Let's see how many variations and how many tools we can use that we already know. So alright, so thanks for watching. Again, do not forget to click that like and subscribe button, and absolutely most important, that notification bell. And please leave any comments, hopefully with some pretty good answers, and I will post and go through them and see how many we can come up with. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.